Hey guys, so we got another review for you today. Today, it's the Marco Polo Pet Finder. So we have no idea where our baby girl has gotten to. We're up on the farm. She's bright white, but nowhere to be seen. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works. It's pretty nifty. Hey guys, ignore what I was just saying. I just did a short range test there, but I thought, that's kind of pathetic. Let's do something a little better. So we're about a quarter mile away from our puppy right now. It's just me. Obviously the wife's with the puppy. We didn't just leave her on the farm. So you can see obviously they're nowhere around. Now I know exactly where she is, but let's see if the tracker can. She is right over there. I don't know if you can really make it out, but there's a barn down there in that little plot of woods. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the button 1 and see if we get her. Now this should work pretty well because we're on top of a hill. Oh, 13%. And it's saying at this moment, 17%. Was saying about this way. Let's see if it gets honed in any better. Oh, 32%. And showing about the way we need to be going. 26%. And as you can see, that's pointed exactly where they're hiding. So I've never tried using it in the car. Let's give it a go. Okay, now that we're in the car with the metal surrounding us, not quite. Oh, there we go. That's doing good again. There's a turkey down the hill there, you probably can't see, but also we're heading towards the barn and it's showing right in front of us. Okay, inside the car in this valley, absolutely no good. Change location. Oh, but outside of the car, it seems to be able to find her. Oh, turned again. Also, keep the thing level. The more up and down and level you have, the better off. So it knows where she's at there. Oh, completely lost her here. Oh, and now we're back to straight in front. Sorry for the sun, guys. It's just kind of the nature of the beast right now. So let's just stop and have a good little... It's kind of off there, but we are right next to the car. Like I said, lots of metal, farm equipment, things of that nature does tend to skew the result. But move it away a little bit, it doesn't take much, and you get back to where you can actually track. Hey guys, let's pause here for a moment. Hey, it says she's over there on that update, but give it a second because she's actually over there. And now it says the correct direction, but let's give it a couple times to update that and see if it really locked on. There's the barn, there's the arrow, lock on 2, lock on 3. So now you know, okay, she's probably over there. Now keep in mind, this thing is not really supposed to be used in a vehicle. It is for walking around looking for it. If you're in a vehicle, it's just to get you close with a percentage. So this is definitely not the use case. But as you can see, if your puppy is lost and you have to drive around, it will get you there. Okay, so we have it pointed this way. Give it a second to update. That way. Give it another couple seconds with all the metal around. Oh, and look, right there she is. Say hi, Willow. Thanks, guys. That was a little bit longer review than what I had initially intended, but I hope it, kind of showed you a little bit better how well it works.
All right, so you just open it up, and it folds out like that. Press the power button. So whenever you program it, if you just get one tracker, it's automatically set to be synced with this, but if you get more than one, you have to sync it with either 1, 2, or 3. since we just got one for her, she's synced to number 1. So I press that, and down here in the bottom it's saying monitor or track. I have it set to track, and so we're just going to wait. It's searching for her tracker. So I don't know if you can see there, but there's a little target and there's a percentage, 61%. That gives you an idea how close she is to you. 100% means she's right next to you. 0% means she's out past the limits that this can go. There's a little arrow. So if you want to go track her, you just follow that arrow and it'll guide you to right where she is.
It's also got about a 2-mile range, they claim, out in the open. Obviously in forest and hilly areas it's going to be a little less. So now that we've got it on, we've got a general idea of where she's at. Let's see if it updates again. Oh. Now it says she's straight ahead of us. Oh. Well, that was a rapid change in direction. I'm wondering if the farm equipment's throwing it off. Let's get over here by the garden. So there's less metal now, and hopefully that means a better track. As you can see, the percentage is going up. It's getting us closer, and there's a willow. How are you, little girl? So I know we weren't real far from her, but we've tried this a little bit better range than this, and it's always worked out. I definitely recommend it. They also make drone trackers, and if you want to use this one as a drone tracker. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this short little review.
What do you got? Aw, thank you.